up everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danny, also known as Street by Danny. And for today's video guys, naisip ko isama ko kayo sa aking lakad today. May pupuntahan tayo mamaya guys. First, I'll be going to Vans kasi meron tayong pull out for Vans. May gusto kasi ako tingnan talaga na sapatos doon na kakadrop lang I think yesterday. So makikita nyo yun mamaya. And then after Vans guys, yun kakain muna ako. And then pupunta tayo sa Atmosil guys. We'll see kung anong ma-film ko later, diba? Baka rin kasi bawal mag-film. So I'll try my best to show you guys kung anong mangyayari mamaya. So yun lang guys. And quick fit check nga pala guys. I'm wearing a Cinema Sun cap, Cinema Sun t-shirt, denim pants, and ang aking Brooks Staple Adrenaline GTS 4. Ayan yung on feet natin guys. So I think that's it guys. I'll see you later. Bye!
Get me high like you do, yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do, yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do, yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go ride, 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 do that, da 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 da. My heart go ride, ride, dee da da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 do that.
Thank you! So, itatry na natin ngayon ang Vans Super Low Pro na Mary Jane. And ayan, adjustable naman yung straps niya, guys. So, you don't need to worry if you have wide feet like me. Cute! Tas all leather pala siya. Ay, ang ganda niya, guys! As in! Sobrang comfy niya. Ang ganda. Tapos isang color pa lang siya guys, this black one. Actually, pwede to pang school. Parang ganito ang school shoes ko before. Pero maganda rin siya for casual, syempre. I like the comfort. It's easy to walk with. Sa sizing guys, nag-half size up ako. Especially kung mahilig kayo sa mga thick socks. Half size up kayo guys. I like it. I think it's a cup.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Hey guys, so we're done with Vans and kakain tayo ngayon dito sa Modern Shang before we go to the Atmos event later. So, cheers guys! See you later! So before we go to Atmos pala guys, ayan, magde-dessert lang kami dito sa Kiwami. Favorite namin to guys eh. Ayan. So magde-dessert lang kami and we'll see you at the Atmos event. Bye! Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa White Space Manila and ayan, naka-line na kami to go in. So, I'm not sure if I will be able to shoot inside but I will update you later kung ano makukuha natin. So, yun lang guys. See you later. Bye!
One eternity later.
Hi guys, so ayan, nakalabas na kami sa White Space and I think it's already past 6 p.m. Tapos we got the goods na rin. Hindi ko talaga siya na-film kasi bawal talaga siya guys. Okay naman yung sale, marami din. Maraming on. Actually, yung mga kinuha ng mga resellers is yung on. As in, yun ang inubos nila. Tsaka mga Puma Speedcat. Tapos, may mga Nike Sander, may mga Clarks din sila, pero mga maliliit na sizes na lang ang naiwan guys. Mamaya guys, i-share ko na sa inyo yung ating haul. So, I think that's it for now. Kakain muna kami ng dinner and I'll get back to you guys later. Bye! So, dito tayo kakain guys. Hanap tayo ng makainan. Oh, cool. Ganda ng vibes dito guys. Ah, ito pala yung toyo. Cool. Ito si Underbelly. Ramen siya. I'm a search. Ooh, the ramen looks good. Hi guys! So sorry kung medyo stress looking na ako. Ang dami natin pinagdaanan today. And nandito na kami sa The Underbelly. Dito sa The Alley in Makati sa may Chino Roses. And this is our first time actually trying their food here. So let's see kung masarap guys. So we got chahan and chicken karaage. Let's see kung kamusta ang food ng The Underbelly. Taste test! Ang cool ng kanilang chopstick oh. Pointy siya in both ends. Let's eat guys. Actually, tanggalin ko muna tong glasses ko. Sa mga nagtatanong, nag-glasses ba ako dahil malabo mata ko? Hindi. Pang style lang po, guys. Good. Look at that steam. Let's try the rice. Ang sarap ng tsahan nila, guys.
First time?
Yes.
Boss, napakasarap.
Thank you.
Ayan, guys. Ito naman yung belly. Ididip mo yung noodles dun sa parang broth. And then that's how you'll eat it. Sarap. It's good, guys. So, ayan yung pangalan ng restaurant. So, kung interested kayo, itry them. Nasa Chino Roses lang sila banda. Ice cream and mochi. Try. Kung mahilig kayo sa buchi, yung sa Chinese restaurant, magugustuhan nyo tong dessert. Sa lahat ng kinain ko dito, guys, itong dish na to ang favorite ko, yung dessert. Okay, so there's this mochi, and then inside the mochi, there's this black sesame oozing out of the mochi, guys. And then you mix it with the ice cream, and there's this like parang polvoron o nasa side siya. Tapos kainin mo siya magkasabay lahat. May parang caramel dressing and iba pa. The perfect bite, guys. Shout out Ninong Rai. 10 out of 10. Yun lang, guys. Hi, guys! So, we are now back home and nag-change ako ng top, guys, kasi nakakahiya naman. Meron pang stain yung t-shirt ko. And actually, guys, itong suot ko ngayon, nakuha natin siya kanina sa Atmos sale. At dahil dyan, we will end this day with a haul. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha ko kanina sa Vans and also sa Atmos. So, let's start with Vans first. The first item I got from Vans is this 5-panel Vans cap. And this is actually from the Atiba collection. So, ayan. Dito sa may tag, meron pa yung parang photograph na tinake ni Atiba. And cute lang na nilagay nila yung detail na yan dito sa cap. I think it would be much better sana if nilagay sana nila dito sa harap. Pero siguro, they wanted it to be more minimal sa front ng cap. So, kaya nila nilagay dito. And then, second item, guys, parang button down siya. And then, I really like kasi the pattern. Nung sinuot ko siya, guys, sabi ko, ayan, ganda naman ito. Ayan, ganito siya. Magandang add-on sa fit, diba, guys? That's the second item na nakuha ko sa Vans. And of course, kumuha rin tayo ng sapatos. Actually, napakita ko siya kanina. It is the Vans Super Low Pro na Mary Jane. So, I'm a big fan kasi, guys, of the Super Low Pro. I have the red and the collaboration pair. Actually, pakita ko sa inyo. Nung nasuot ko talaga itong first pair ko, which is this red one, na-in-love na ako sa silhouette na to, guys. Kasi, simple lang siya. Maganda yung form niya. Magaan sa paa. Tapos, madali rin siya ibagay sa fits, diba? Tsaka, medyo trendy ngayon yung mga alam mo yung slim na sneakers. So, nung narinig ko na meron silang ilalabas na Mary Jane, I just had to get a pair. So, that's it for our Vans haul. Let's move on to our Atmos haul. I actually got a pair. So, this is the Nike Aqua shoes. And matagal ko na siya gustong bilhin, guys. Sobrang cute ng box, guys. Nakuha ko na lang siya for 1,797.50. Sulit ang paghintay ko, guys. There's two colors. There's a parang beige one and this is the black one. This is such a good deal. So this is the Aqua shoes, guys. Alright, so the second thing that I copped sa Atmos is this one, yung suot ko, guys. This ACG Polo. Kinuha ko siya, guys, kasi maganda tela niya eh. Press ko yung tela niya and mahilig ako ngayon sa parang mga button down. Maganda i-add sa collection itong ACG na polo, diba? So, ito yung second item na nakuha natin sa Atmos sale. So, I think that's it. We're done with the haul for today. And I'll see you tomorrow or kung meron pa tayong ibang events na pupuntahan, guys. So, bye! Good night! Hey guys! So it's the next day and today, isasama ko kayo sa aking adventure sa pagkakop sa sneakers. Ito ang sneakers na gusto ko kunin. Ayan. So this is the Martin Rose and meron ako yung black and red colorway pero I want to get this white colorway as well. So magda-drop siya at 12 o'clock tapos time check it is 11:37 a.m. So hihintay lang ako na mag-12 para mag-try tayo na mag-cop nitong sapatos na to. So share ko na lang din pala yung shoes sa inyo guys. So this is the first Martin Rose Shox na nilabas. And as you can see guys, grabe ang cool nito. Super different from the other Nike Shox, diba? Slip-on heel lang siya. Really nice para sa mga mahilig sa fashion, diba? Pwede siya for formal, pwede siya for casual wear, streetwear. Tapos guys, yung ito, nagre-reflect yan. Sobrang cool niyan kung naano siya ng ilaw. It's already 11:50, 10 more minutes. I'll see you guys later. Ayun na! Okay. Women's. Okay, delivery. Okay, continue. Payment. You're in line. We'll notify you in a moment whether you get it or not. Oh, hindi ko nakuha, guys. Tatry ko siya dito sa isa ko pang account, guys. And hopefully, makakuha pa tayo. Hirap makuha to, guys. I think that's it for today. Joke lang. Dito sa sneakers app, guys, may mga tao gumagamit ng mga bots. So, yung mga bots, guys, mas mabilis sila sa mga tao talaga. So, baka maraming gumamit ng bots for this. And sa mga nanalo naman by pure luck, congratulations. Ang ganda nung shoe na yun. So, ayun lang muna for today, guys. And kita-kits na lang later or tomorrow. Hey, guys! So, it is now Wednesday. I'm not sure kung anong araw ako nag-start mag-vlog. Pero, funny story guys. Kasi naalala niyo yung kinainan natin sa may Chino Roses. Anyways, nakakuha siya ng Michelin Gourmand Bib. So, nakakatuwa lang na nakakain na tayo doon before sila nagkakuha ng Michelin. Kasi for sure ngayon, ang dami ng kumakain doon. Yun lang, share ko lang guys. Also pala guys, gusto ko lang mag-shoutout sa Sarsa. Yung kaibigan natin, ang chef doon, si Chef Kim. So congrats Kim and the whole Sarsa team. So ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. So nandyan ang Sarsa. And ayan, the underbelly. Kaya pala, sarap na sarap ako doon guys. Michelin rated pala siya guys. And bukas guys, o nga pala, share ko lang sa inyo. Isasama ko kayo kasi mag-uukay tayo bukas. And I hope may mahahanap tayo ng mga good deals as well. So, I think that's it for today and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sino aking mahal? Coffee. Hello po. Morning. Isang ano po, ice Vietnamese coffee. Tapos, order ako ng isang bun with ham and cheese. Thank you.
Saan po yung ano? Take ko na ako.
Dyan lang po ito. Puti ko siya.
Okay.
Thank you. Dunkin' Donuts, pampagising. Our Dunkin' is here. So, nandito na tayo guys sa pupuntahan natin. 1118 Collective. So, sabi nila magaganda daw yung mga pieces dito. So, let's see kung may makukuha tayo today. So, nandito na tayo sa loob ng store, guys. Titingin na muna kami and update na lang mamaya. Ganda din. Parang custom Carhartt na jacket, guys. Meron pa dito, Johan. APC Carhartt. Yeah, medyo blazer type na siya. Ganda yan. ACG yan? Ah, gago. Parang kasha yan sa akin, ah.
Pasok sa'yo, pasok sa'yo.
Ganda, oh, Josh. Ito yung tires, di ba? Ganda. Gildan pa yung shirt. Ganda ng stuff nila dito. May Harley pa. Dami nilang magagandang shoes, eh, no? Vomero. Ito, oh. Soko nito, di ba? XT600. Ganda, Josh, oh. Stussy hold the meds. Hindi, maliit. Medium siya. Medium maliit. Yan yata pinakamagandang kulay na nakita ko so far. Na jacket ng ACG. Oh, ganda. Ganda mga curation nila eh, no? Daming Nike. Streetwear talaga ang kanilang niche. Yan, maganda. Tingnan mo yung likod. Nakita mo yung likod? Hindi na sikat ngayon yung mga jerseys eh, no? Last year ba yun yung grabe ang yung mga ganitong style? Pang ano to ha? Carlo to ha? Ganda nitong Reebok, no? Balenciaga. Ah, ganda din yan. Gusto mo kita-kita ka sa event. Ganito suotin mo. Balenci. Ganda mga Carhartt nila. Ganda niya, no? Nakita ko din yan. Ganda nito, oh. 2.5.
Bakit dahil?
Ganda yan. As in. Astig nito. Maganda to, guys. So, kung interested kayo, 2.5 siya. Cute ng kulay. Mike.
Gaging ganda is
Mukha akong pumpkin. Vintage na Oakley, guys.
Yo.
Grabe, ang ganda.
So,
Pa siya.
masarap yung kwentuhan. Nag-alok si Boss Pope dito.
Bye-bye! Thank you! Done na tayo, guys. Mamaya pakita namin sa inyo yung mga nakuha natin sa 1118 Collective. Yun lang. See ya! Hi guys! So we are now back home and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha natin. So ito yung ating haul. So the first item that we got, it is a Carhartt button down. Ganda siya, no? Nakukutan ako dito sa color niya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung tag. Legit naman siya, guys. Tapos meron siya yung ito, yung Carhartt na naka-stitch na logo. Ang ganda ng condition niya. Parang siyang brand new. So yeah, this is the first item that we got. Second item, it is a Nike t-shirt. Gusto ko siya, guys, kasi contrast stitch yung stitching niya. And then, may mga small details sila na ganyan. So, may swoosh. And then, alam kong legit siya, guys, kasi look at the tag. And wala siyang backprint. Pero, ayan, oversized shirt siya, guys. You can wear anything with black. So, yeah, this is the second item that we got. And then, for the third item, we got this ACG na shorts. Yan, may naka-embroid na ACG. Ito yung tag niya. Tapos dito sa likod, meron naka-embroid na swoosh. So, maganda yung color niya, guys. So yeah, it's a nice piece also. Something different, diba? And yeah, that's all the items that we got from 1118 Collective. So if you guys want to visit their store, I will pop their IG page here on the screen. And then you can message them. And I'm sure meron na rin silang address, I think, sa profile nila. So check out yun na lang sila, guys, on Instagram. So I think that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me me, guys. And if you haven't yet, you can follow me on my socials at Street by Dani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. I hope you guys can subscribe here on my channel as well. It would help me a lot. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Dani out!